Welcome to Brew Builds, your place for DIY home improvements. I'm Paul. Today I'll be cleaning out the shower drain that's been draining rather slowly. You ready? Let's clean this out. Well, when your shower drain gets clogged, it's usually caused by hair because that's the only thing that really should be going down your shower drain. It could be caused by roots if your pipes are buried in the dirt underneath your slab, but that is rarely the case and you'd probably have bigger plumbing issues as well.
Tools and items needed. All you need is a bucket and some screwdrivers. But if you have a screw gun and a small auger, bring those along as well.
I'm going to pour this bucket of water down the drain so you can see how slow it's draining. It's not that bad, but it will back up a little bit when you're taking a shower. So I want to take care of this before it gets worse. If the clog was further down the line, water could possibly come back up out of the shower drain if you ran a washing machine or even flushed the toilet. Since we don't have any of those issues, I'm sure the clog is right here. I'll pour another bucket of water at the end of the video so you can see the difference in how fast it is draining.
On the brew scale, technical ability I rate as a beginner. Anyone can do this, just don't get grossed out. Physical ability I rate as easy, as long as you can get yourself down by the drain.
You need to remove the cover or the catch screen on top of the drain. To do that, remove the two screws that are holding it in place. If you don't see any screws, it probably will just snap in and out of place. If you have a screw gun, it makes the job very easy. But you could use a manual screwdriver as well. Now, you want to be very careful when you're removing these screws because you don't want to drop one down the drain. If you have a magnetic tip on your screwdriver, that'll help, but just make sure that you're holding it with your hands.
Hit that like button and subscribe to Brew Builds.
Be sure to set the screws outside the shower area because you don't want to knock them down the drain.
Hit that like button and subscribe to Brew Builds.
Alright, now we can remove the cover. Ooh, that's pretty disgusting down there.
Hit that like button and subscribe to Brew Builds.
That's definitely worse than a screw. Oh well, time to start cleaning all this junk out of here.
You can see all this stuff. It's basically hair. Put it into our bucket here on the side.
Yeah, I waited way too long to clean this out.
Oh yeah. It's like pulling a rat out of the shower. So I'm just trying to scrape out the remaining stuff.
Ah, there you are. Alright, into the bucket you go.
Subscribe to Brew Builds.
That is just about everything. I'm gonna go fill this bucket up with some water.
Alright, I got that stuff thrown away. I'm just gonna rinse this a little bit. If you have a small auger, this could be a good time to just help get rid of some of this stuff.
This is hot water that I'm using. Just helps break up the stuff.
Do it quite a bit more here.
Last thing you want to do is use some baking soda and some dish soap to clean out the pipes. Apply the baking soda and soap and let it sit for a few minutes. Then use an old scrub brush to clean out the drain. Dip the brush into a bucket of warm water, then start scrubbing the sides of the drain pipe. You will want to rinse the brush and the drain out often. Repeat the process if necessary. Then clean off the area with some warm water.
All right, that's it. Let me get this cover back on. I recommend starting them manually because you don't want to strip out one of these holes. I'm going to pour another bucket of water down here for you so you can see how much faster it drains. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button for me, and remember to subscribe to Brew Builds if you want to see more DIY videos like this one. I'm going to get these cameras out of here and turn the shower on and get this place cleaned up.